I'm sure you have already heard about Spotify, about how it's one of the best platforms to and stream music in this current age, due to its ease of use, simple navigation, wide scope of songs, and its aesthetically pleasing design. With a huge variety of music available in this platform, it's absolutely perfect for any time of the day. And anything that you do, you can listen to some classical music when you're working, or to some jazz music when you're having dinner, pop songs to get the vibe going during a party, or some breezy R&B to relax yourself after a long day of work. Spotify is undoubtedly an all-star. Now, what if I tell you that you can actually make money out of Spotify just by listening to the music that you personally like? Wouldn't that be a dream come true? In this video, I'm going to teach you about this latest method of making money online, and this time you get to spice things up, as you will enjoy the process while making fat stacks of cash all at the same time. Now, before we start, let me tell you everything you need for you to make this work. First, just prepare your device, be it your phone or your laptop, and just be sure it can open Spotify. Second, you won't be needing any skills or any type of experience, since all you have to do is listen to your favorite shoes. Third, you need to prepare an amount of guess how much. Zero. There will be no need for any investment, so you can totally access this method for 100% free. And lastly, you're just going to need yourself as you spend your time tuning into your music while relaxing and making money simultaneously. Stay with me until the end, and remember to never ever skip ahead, because if you do, you might miss out on some details that are highly crucial for this to work. But lucky for you, since you're going to watch this video all throughout, you're going to be successful. So let's first have a quick overview of what you expect in today's video. First and foremost, I'm going to teach you how to make an account for Spotify. Then I will proceed into showing you about this underground and very low-key website that will allow you to earn large amounts of money just by listening to music on Spotify. And lastly, just get paid in just a few steps. Your earning potential can even and soar high up to a whopping $785. And that's absolutely insane. Where else could you find money this big very easily? So stay tuned as we now begin with the video. To start off, open Spotify by visiting their Google counterpart at open.spotify.com. You can also choose to use your mobile phone and download the Spotify application on the Google Play Store or in the Apple App Store. Bear in mind that this app is widely available anywhere on the planet, so there won't be any hassle to accomplish this method successfully. Furthermore, it can be downloaded using any mobile device that you have, whether you own an Android device or an iOS device, since it perfectly works one way or another. With over tens of million users hailing from all over the world, Spotify is a very popular app, yet only a few per of the population know about how to gain money out of this. It's certainly a ways to let this opportunity get away, so without further ado, sign up for an account out by clicking on the sign up button on the upper right portion of the home page. Once you click on that button, you will be redirected to this page where you can begin the sign up process by filling out all the necessary information on these required fields. You can choose to pursue the registration by continuing with Facebook or Google. This is basically a shortcut so that you won't go through the manual application anymore. But if for whatever reason this may not be your cup of tea, then you are free to go the traditional way and fill out all these fields right here. Just type in your email address, password, and then they will ask you for a profile name of your choice. Then you will be asked to input your date of birth, so just accomplish that like so. Afterwards, select your gender from these options right here, and you can then proceed in ticking these boxes right here. The last box is where you agree to the terms and conditions of use, as well as the privacy policy of Spotify in general. Once you're through, just click on this box right here to prove that you're an actual human being, and by now just hit the sign up button and you're in the clear for the next step. Alright, so welcome to your brand new Spotify account, where you will now create a playlist according to your own liking. This platform has gotten millions of musics and songs from all across the globe and from millions of artists as well. Everything that you're looking for will be right here on Spotify, whether you're looking for some old classics, 90s love songs, 2000s pop rock anthems, or modern hits of today, you name it, Spotify has it. There's also a lot of pre-made playlists from Spotify that you can use to make money later on. However, if you want the playlist customized for you, just click the Create Playlist button at the left side of the page, and then just add the songs that you want to listen to on your new playlist right there. Now let's get everything ready and organized before we proceed to the money-making website that I will show you in a moment. So after you create your playlist, the next thing that I want you to do is to name your playlist. Now, for example, you will choose to create the playlist dedicated to 90 love songs, so you shall name your playlist as such, or any name that you want it to be. Next, just use the search button and then browse through the app to locate and add the songs that go well with the overall 5. Since you're looking for 90s love songs, just type that right in the search bar and you will be presented with lots of love songs set in the 1990s. Just add them to your playlist and you have a freedom to add as many songs as you like, so just go for it. Just make sure that you add the songs that you enjoy listening to so that this playlist will be an ultimate musical asset in many ways than you can imagine. Through this playlist, you can be able to relax as you listen to them at night to make you feel comfortable and happy. Amidst that excellent feeling, you get to feel even better knowing that you can earn money while you simply listen to your favorite songs. Now, as an avid listener to music, there's literally nothing that can surpass the level of excellence provided by this method. Imagine you just listen to music and maybe fall asleep, and then you just wake up with big lumps of money on this website that I will show you in a quick second. Before we dive deeper into the video, let me give you this period to give the video a thumbs up if you like this video, and then leave a comment down below if you're interested in what's coming up next. Done? Alright, let's get back to the video. So now that your playlist is ready, it is now time to unveil the website where you will be earning tons of money just by listening to that playlist of yours. Without further ado, allow me to show you the website, which is called musicgateway.com. To give you a little something, Music Gateway is a platform trusted by an ANR and independent record companies where you can get paid to listen to music as a music curator. As you scroll down, you will find all the necessary information needed to learn all about this premier money-making method. But let me tell you about this one right here. Your job as a music curator is to review and select music for radio stations, podcasts, social media platforms, blogs, and streaming playlists. Their easy-to-use tool helps to streamline the submission process, enabling you to save time and earn regular income simply by promoting and using their submission tool. Now let's further explore the page. By scrolling the page just a little bit more, you will then find these amounts, which show exactly how much you can earn with this method. As you can see, you will earn 0 when you submit 0 to 199, since they have a minimum amount that you must reach, which is 200 submissions. For 20,000 to 499 submissions, you get to earn 100. For 500 to 999, your earnings significantly increase to up to 200. Now your earnings further increase as you also increase your number of submissions, allowing you to earn a magnificent amount of 800B, and honestly, that's beyond amazing. And it gets even better as you can repeat this process repeatedly, allowing you to raise the roof as you detonate the bomb that will boost your earnings exponentially. At this point, I'm going to give you a walkthrough on the sign up process, so make sure to lend me the fullest of your attention since it can get a bit tad complicated, but overall it will work in the end just as long as you follow everything I say. Now go back to the top of the home page and click on the Apply Now button right here. After doing so, you will be redirected to this page where you get to access the application form. Start by inputting your email address, curator name, and the country you live in. Once you have filled it out, just click on Spotify for this question. Since we made use of the platform earlier, then simply attach a link to the playlist and proceed to the next question. Now, if you recall, you will need at least 200 submissions for you to earn money, so you can put that value right in or even go beyond to 1,000 submissions. It's completely up to you afterwards. Just stick on all boxes right here so that you get to open more windows of opportunities. The next set of questions will be just a quick breeze, since you can just say no for this question right here. And finally, leave the last question blank. Just review your application and then hit the submit button, and there you go. You can now begin to make money in as easy as 1, 2, 3. And that is basically it for this entire video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below and tell me what you have learned today. Oh, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up if you love the entire thing. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. If you find this video beneficial, please like it, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of my videos. Thanks for watching.